Hey everyone, I'm here with another layout. Alright, so my husband wanted security cameras, so we got him one, and actually I'd let Mateo he has an Amazon account, because we have a family account, and I let him shop for me and his dad for Christmas using my account, using my money. Using my money, he shopped for Christmas presents for us. Anyway, and so we got him a security camera because that's what he wanted. He wanted a security camera, but we got him one for Christmas. But what I didn't like about the one we got him, which I didn't know till later, but anyway, is this one can go 360 degrees if you turn it. It's not one that you can install and it goes 360 degrees on its own. So if a burglar comes in and you have it pointed to your front door, he can break in a back door and be off camera. So I didn't like that. So, which we didn't know at the time, because that made it sound like it was 360 degrees. But anyway, so that's hence this is him opening up his Christmas present. He couldn't stand it, so we finally said, fine, here, open it up. And so Christmas Eve is when he opened it up. So the paper strips are scraps. And let me see here. The mixed media stickers are Hit Kit Club's Sweater Weather October kit. And and this is the November kit. And I apologize that Patton is in my way. Alright, so trying to see here. Die cuts are Hit Kit Club's wish season. So I'm just putting all these die cuts down. Chipboard stickers, which are the night before Christmas, December 24th. Those are the only chipboard stickers, and those are Hip Kit Club's Wish Season. The mixed media is Sweater Weather from October. And then for my title, Have On and You is Hip Kit Club's Wish Season Puffy Alphas, while My Eyes is Hip Kit Club's Keeping Cozy Metallic Puffy Alphabet stickers from a past kit. And then that is the last of my layout. So once I get my title down, that is all I do, because I don't do ink splatters or anything. That is all I do. So with that said, I'm going to let you finish watching, and when I have more, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.